today's Dhar Mann Sunday. Today I'll be reacting to rich people won't tip for pizza. So let's get started.
Have a seat. I'll bring them right out.
Hey, watch where you're going, man. Oh, I'm so sorry. Do you know how expensive this suit is? Much more than you can afford.
You're probably right. I'm really sorry, sir.
Some people. Anyway, let me get 3 slices of cheese.
We have a 5 for $5 deal if you want to add 2 more.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Great. Have a seat. I'll bring them right out.
Who would bring a laptop in a pizza place? What the heck? Okay, let's just.
What the heck?
Okay, 5 slices of cheese.
Great pizza, right?
This is unbelievable.
Plus, why is the homeless guy taking the other guy's pizza? Like, wait, are they sharing it or something?
Really? You're gonna take the last slice of pizza?
Okay, guys,
Oh, sounds like you're hungry. There you go.
That is disgusting. What is wrong with you? You know what? You should be ashamed of yourself. You should go out and get a job instead of eating other people's food.
Here's your pizza, sir.
No, you already dropped mine off.
Oh, that was his pizza. He ordered the same thing.
So was his pizza all along?
Oh my God. That was your pizza.
Yes, it was.
I'm so sorry. That whole time, I thought you were eating my pizza. And then you split that last slice in half. But why?
Well, may not have much, but always.
Please have some of mine. I'm more than happy to share.
I was so happy. Hey guys, another one customer shares fast.
Welcome to WhatsApp. What can I get started for you?
Yeah, let me get a 12-inch veggie. Wait, Larry? Larry, the loser from high school? I can't believe you work here. How embarrassing.
Times have been tough, so I do what I have to put food on the table.
What do you make here anyway? Like $8 an hour?
Almost.
I'll be grateful if I made $8 an hour, because at least I can add up that money to the rest of my investment that I'm gonna get. And yeah, so yeah.
$7.50. But my goal is to be a regional manager one day. Anyways, what are you doing nowadays?
Well, I'm a manager for Dhar Mann Studios.
Ooh,
I'm meeting with the
Dhar Mann
owner a little bit
Studios.
later today, and he is going to promote me to senior manager.
Wow. Hey, congrats. I'm really happy for you.
Wish I could say the same to you. Doesn't seem like things have changed much, have they? Larry the loser.
Okay, here's your
What's
food.
he
That'll be
doing?
$14.50.
By the way, nice uniform there, buddy. You know, one day you might be able to afford a suit and tie like this.
Yeah, maybe.
Actually, do me a favor. Smile.
Can you please not take pictures of me?
Oh, don't be shy. I just want everyone in high school to see what a loser you still are.
Okay, guys, if somebody just took a picture of me, I would just say, get out of my restaurant. Get out! Get out! I would probably just say that.
Look at Larry the loser. Sandwich connoisseur. Connoisseur. Hey, your photo already has 20 likes on it. You know, I would stay and hang out, but I've got a real job to get back to. So, here you go. Oh, no. I'm so sorry. But I mean, it is your job to clean up the floors, right?
You know what, Todd? You should never look down on someone. Because one day you might end up looking up to them.
Isn't that ironic? The sandwich artist is trying to give me life advice. You know what?
Yeah, he should give you advice because you are acting so bad. Like, he should give you advice.
Let me do you a favor. There's the tie. Now he's got to sell enough sandwiches to get the rest of the suit. Larry the loser.
He's not a loser. He's actually better than you.
Todd walks off, leaving Larry behind to clean up all the mess. He ends up attending the meeting with the owner, so excited for the promotion. Except, things don't go exactly as planned. The owner finds out about the Facebook post and fires Todd on the spot for violating the
Yeah, that's what you get for bullying people. That's what you get because Dhar Mann is a nice guy, not a mean guy like you.
company bullying policy. Now unemployed, Todd has to look for other jobs, applying everywhere he can. But no matter where he goes, no one wants to hire him because of his bad references. After months of being unemployed, things get so bad that Todd runs out of money. Having tried so many other options, he decides to swallow his pride and apply at a fast food restaurant. And then one day, Todd happens to run into Larry.
Welcome to What's Up. How can I help you, sir?
Actually, I wanted to see if... Todd?
Ooh, he got
Larry?
rich over the time.
I barely recognized you. What are you doing in a suit?
Well, 2 weeks ago I got promoted to Senior District Manager. I'm now in charge of 125 locations.
Ooh, okay.
Wow, that's incredible.
Anyways, you want the same thing as last time? The 12-inch?
No, actually, I came by to see if you guys were hiring.
Oh,
See, times have gotten a little tough, and sometimes you got to do what you got to do to put food on the table.
are you sure you'd want to work for Larry the
Copying his
loser?
phrase.
I'm really sorry for what I said to you. You're right. You should never look down on someone, because one day you might be looking up to them. Can you ever forgive me?
Yeah.
Guys, that's the end of the video, and thanks for subscribing, and bye. Peace.